Hello YouTube, welcome to channel SEOCar 212. Hyundai took the wraps off its newest fuel cell vehicle this week at SES, naming it Nexo and announcing 2018 consumer availability in California markets only. It replaces the outgoing Tucson FCEV, which was the automaker's original hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. Hyundai claims the Nexo will go up to 370 miles between charges, taking just 5 minutes to charge up. That's potentially a click or two farther than the Toyota Mirai, which gets around a 312-mile range, and the Honda Clarity fuel cell, with an EPA-estimated 366-mile range. What makes Nexo unique is that it sits on a dedicated platform touted to be more efficient and compact, as well as quieter in operation. Hyundai says that's accomplished in part by shifting moving components to the front, shrinking the battery pack and moving it to the trunk. Power-wise, the Nexo offers a 95 kW fuel cell and 40 kW battery pack. That extends its range to 370 from 265 with the Tucson, and boosts output to 161 horsepower and 291 pounds-foot of torque. Nexo, the fuel cell vehicle, offers up a futuristic look at mobility, but with limited availability thanks to the slow distribution of charging stations. But Nexo, the technology Trojan horse, well, that perspective of the same vehicle packs in a slew of innovations sure to be found across amber fields and mountains majesty. For example, there's autonomous light lane following technology, and highway driving assistance that keeps the vehicle centered in its lane at high speed, without the need to follow a vehicle. Hyundai also showed a new blind spot monitoring system that displays a view of the car's perimeter on the center cluster, and a remote parking feature that also retrieves the vehicle. One can only imagine what this sort of technology would do to mall parking on a typical Saturday. 200 or so remote-activated vehicles, all honking and pushing, trying to reach respective owners waiting curbside. Brilliant. We can't do Starbucks mobile ordering right, yet the future has us ordering up our cars. The Nexo, as part of Hyundai's plan, is to launch 18 production electric or fuel cell vehicles worldwide by 2025. It will go on sale in California later this year.